So hello everyone. In this video we will talk about FIG stock and the key levels to watch November 2025. In last trading session we saw 2.77% down move, formed a bearish candle, closed at $35.74. So the key resistance level is $42.19. If the price breaks above $42.19, it could test $45.39. Now the stock trading at its all-time low, so it could go lower. That's my view on FIG stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.